Good morning all of you. Myself Soni Hire and today we will learn about the synthetic fiber and its type. So every day we wear the different type of cloth and this cloth protect us from the atmospheric condition, dust, etc. But how these cloth are manufactured? So these cloth are manufactured by fiber. There are the two type of fiber. First is natural fiber which are obtained from natural sources, for example silk and cotton. And the second one is the synthetic fiber which are man-made. Example rayon, nylon, etc. Synthetic fiber are made from monomer, polymer and polymerization. So first we will learn what is the monomer. Monomer means chain of the small unit. For example, bead in a string or brick in a wall. Second, polymer. What is the polymer? Polymer means many monomer joined together to form a large unit. This large unit are called as polymer. Third, polymerization. Polymerization means the process of joining together of monomer to form polymer is known as polymerization. Now we will learn about the some synthetic fiber that we use in our daily lives. So there are the five type of synthetic fiber. First synthetic fiber is rayon, second nylon, third polyester, fourth acrylic, fifth is lycra. Now one by one we will learn the type of synthetic fiber. So first type of synthetic fiber is rayon. So rayon is a synthetic fiber that has the silk-like appearances and it is also called as artificial silk. Second, rayon is made from naturally occurring polymer that is called as cellulose and this cellulose is extracted from the wood pulp. Now there are the some properties of rayon. So first properties of rayon are it is shiny and lustrous. Second, it is the good absorber of moisture and sweat. Third, it is cool to wear. Fourth, it is soft and silky to touch. So related the property where rayon it is the use. So rayon is the use in making fabric for shirt, tie, bedsheet, carpet, bandage, etc. Now second type of synthetic fiber is nylon. So nylon was first fully synthetic fiber. It was produced in the year 1930 by an American scientist named as Wallace H. Carruthers. Next point, properties of nylon. So first property of nylon is it has shiny appearances. Second, it is elastic in nature. Third, it is light in weight, strong and durable. Fourth, it is easy to wash. So related the property, nylon is used in making the raincoat, toothbrush, parachute, ropes, curtain, fishing net, etc. Now third type of synthetic fiber is polyester. Poly means many, ester means small unit. So polyester are the long chain of polymer of the small unit generally known as ester. Second, terylene or dacron and PET, polyethylene tetrafilate. These are the common form of the polyester fiber. Now properties of polyester. So first property of polyester is it does not get wrinkle. Second, it is strong and light in weight. Third, it absorbs the very little water. Fourth, it dry up very quickly. So related the property, polyester it is used to make the sailboat, jar, water bottle, shirt, saris, etc. Next is polyester is mixed with the other fiber and produce the blended fabric. So example of blended fabrics are terracotta. In this terracotta there it is the mixture of terylene and cotton. Second example is polycotton. In this polycotton there it is the mixture of polyester and cotton. So this type of the fabric are called as the blended fabric. Now next type of the synthetic fiber is arsenic. So arsenic has the property like wool. So because of property like wool, it is natural substitute for the wool. Second, arsenic is cheaper and more durable than the wool. Third, arsenic is also called as the ursulene. And fourth is the orlon, cashmelan, acetylene. These are the example of arsenic fiber. Next, properties of arsenic fiber. First property of arsenic fiber is it is soft and light in a weight. Second, it is easy to wash and dry quickly. Third, it does not shrink, stretch or wrinkle. Related the property, arsenic is used to make the socks, sweater, blanket, rug, etc. Now last synthetic fiber is lycra. Lycra is also called as the spandex. And second is the properties of lycra. So first property of lycra is it is softness and elastic like rubber. Second, it has the ability to stretch and regain its original shape. So related the property lycra, it is the used to make the body hugging cloth like undergarment and a swimming suit. Now here we learn the type of synthetic fiber. Now next point is the advantage of synthetic fiber. So first advantage of synthetic fiber is they regain their original shape after stretching or compressing. Second, they are not attracted by moth. Third, they dry quickly. Fourth, their cost is comparatively less than natural fibers. And last it is they are easy to wash and maintain. Related the advantage, synthetic fiber also have the disadvantage. So disadvantage of synthetic fiber are first is they do not absorb the moisture and sweat. Second, they catch the fire easily and melt before burning. Third, they cling to the skin as they accumulate electric charge on them. Thank you.